I'm gonna show you 5 things you can grow in your fall garden. Number 1 is garlic. Last year we planted our soft neck variety of garlic on November 2nd and we harvested May 17th. And we still have a ton of garlic left. It's super easy to never have to buy garlic from the store again. Number 2 is collard greens. Right now is the perfect time to plant these because collard greens are a cool season vegetable that are super easy to grow. Number 3 is mustard greens. We grow 3 different types of mustard greens: red mustard, tender green, and Florida broadleaf. Number 4 is lettuce. One of the easiest plants to grow in the fall is lettuce. Lettuce tastes super sweet in cool weather, which is why it's great to grow in the fall. We just planted 2 different varieties of lettuce: black seeded Simpson lettuce and little gem lettuce. We chose these varieties because they will be ready to harvest in less than 2 months. And number 5 is broccoli. Fall broccoli is the best broccoli you will ever grow for your family. The flavor of broccoli is the best when you grow it in the fall because cold weather makes your broccoli sweeter.